Hey guys, how's it going? It's Zahait here, and we're back with a brand new episode of Craftomation 101. And in the last episode, we started working with some functions, setting up our little robots here. We finally started making some iron ingots and turning that into... I forget what this turns into. A steel plate. We started making steel plates. So there's that. Now, what we have to work on next is getting magnets, which actually shouldn't be too bad because I can just combine these things together. And that is just going to make us magnets. So that is a pretty easy do at this point. And I know I could get a robot to do it, but I don't really see a reason to right now. So we'll just really quickly finish off this. No. If you put items on top of the robots, they just eat them. So you have to be careful. They basically eat whatever you put on their face. There we go. One more. Get out of the way. Okay, put that in there. That is going to unlock another level for us. And what is this? Find ice? What does that mean? Find ice. Isn't there just ice everywhere? What does ice look like? Oh, is that ice? Yeah, okay, so we got to get up here, which isn't so bad. We can start firing up our stove, and we're going to need another one of those. We're gonna need another fire. If I put this up here, I shouldn't have taken out of there. I'm gonna need one more fire yet. Look at this guy. He's like so close to being out, but he's not. What a pain. Okay, let's make one more fire. And I'll stick it right up in the corner. We'll fuel that up. What is this? A spore? Okay, I'm gonna move this crate so that it's not out in the freezy. Alright, and what do we got here? Bodies? Okay, can I move the whole storage? I don't think so. I have to, like, take the items out first. And then that is more stone. Okay, we gotta find a box with heads in it if we want to use those bodies for anything. Find ice. Make water. Easy enough. Execute a command center goal. Oh, hang on. What's going on? Heater? A heater? What the heck is a heater for? A new object. Heater. Heater needs batteries to work? How much does this cover? It looks like it covers a pile. It goes in strips though, look. And I imagine I can't put it out. I don't want to put it out there. I don't think it's going to disappear if I do that. What if I put it like here? That's not bad. We're going to get a whole bunch of batteries if I put it there. Okay. Oh, maybe I'm not gonna get batteries? I thought the dotted lines there were going to be heated up as well. Maybe can I move this? Uh-oh. I cannot. It's just stuck there now. Okay, well that's fine. Let's make sure we have iron, access to iron. There we go. And, oh. My fires are burning out. I need a bunch more water. So I think what I want to do is get this guy to stop putting things into that fire and just get him to put it into this fire instead. And then I think all of our fire is going to be going into the same spot. Although it looks like someone's probably putting some in here. This guy. Okay, you are also going to put it into there. So all of the fire that we have is going to go into this spot, and then I'm going to need a robot that's going to run around and take fire out of there and put it into these spots, I think. So we're going to do the old energy check. We're going to do the old refuel, except it's going to be this one. Okay, and then do I have the ability to unlock compare object? Compares an object carried by the Craftomation with the object on the map and follows one of two branches depending on the result. Where's the one? Counters, compare count, compare. Checks whether the amount of objects in a selected tile is more, less, or equal to a selected number. Okay. So that's what we want. Bob the Great. You are going to... Bob the Great. You are going to... Compare count. I don't want this. I don't want this here. There we go. Compare count. Oh boy. This is gonna start getting messy really fast. So we'll compare this one first. We'll just do them in order. This one, if it is... What do I want? Like 6? I don't know what a good number is. 5? If it's more than 5, then what? Then we're gonna copy this. And we're gonna check the next one. I think so. Paste. And then we're gonna check the next one. And we're gonna just keep doing that, actually. Until we've done them all. Alright guys, I think I've got this robot here basically set up to refuel all of our fire pits. Now I don't think he's going to be able to keep up with all these by himself. I imagine, and I might need to change this to a number that's bigger than 5. But for now it's set to 5. We'll see if it works. If I need a second robot doing the same thing, I can copy this. But what basically is happening is starting in, checking to see if he's going to run out of fuel or not, which I think I'm going to have to set this to a different thing or get him to fuel up more, maybe. I don't think he's going to eat enough fuel. He's going to end up running out, but whatever. We'll play with it as we go. But then he's going to the first fire pit, checking if the number is 5. If it's less than 5, he's taking fire out of this fire pit over here and just putting it into this fire pit. And then he's going to repeat until he's got more than 5 in there. As soon as he's got more than 5, he's going to the next fire. He's doing that, blah, blah, blah. Then next fire, until all the fires have been going back to idle. And that's it. So, I mean, he's probably going to run out of fuel before he can finish this. I think what I'm going to have to do is edit this. And why is this here? Oh, we can put an output. Interesting. You know what I should do? Is I should get him to check his fuel maybe in between these steps. Right? Compare energy. I don't know. If it's more, go in here. Wait, that's not what I wanted. No, I'm wrecking everything now. Now I'm wrecking everything. Yeah, energy check. Okay, if it's okay, you're gonna do that. If it's low, you're gonna refuel. And man, I don't think I want to just be running this all over the place like that. We'll go to refuel like this. What a mess. This is bad. I apologize in advance. So same thing here. Instead of going that way, you're gonna go this way. If it's okay, then you'll go down. Oh my god. Once you're done refueling, you'll go down. Yeah, that looks good. If it's more, or there. If it's okay, you go down, you go down. This is not the best, and there's going to be something much more efficient we can do. I could probably put this in a function, I imagine, at some point. Maybe I could already do it, honestly. But for now, this is going to work, I think. Oh boy. That's gross. We need fuel for that guy. So let's just power him up. That is actually the guy that we just fixed, I think. Maybe he'll eat that too. There we go. Fuel yourself up, my buddy. And what we should do is just take his code, copy, and I'm gonna paste it onto this guy. And between the two of them, oh, he's running around, he's looking, yup, okay, There's 221 fire in here. There we go. Okay, I think between those two guys, they should be able to pull this off. I'm hoping. Look at that. All of our fires are good. Oh, this one ran out. Okay, let me just put a few in there to get it started. I might need to increase that number. Now, I wish there was a thing like they did in Autonauts where you could make a program, link robots to it, and then change it, and they would all change. And maybe that's something that we can do at some point. Variable logic. Check plant memory interaction. Unlocks a set of nodes that allow Craftomates to create memory drives with copies of programs that can be pasted to other automates or themselves. I feel like that is maybe kind of what I'm referring to. But we'll have to see. We're running out of juice over here. What the heck? Let's get these plates, and then we can get the storage back into a spot where we can actually use it. There we go. Don't mind that. We need more water. Yeah, we actually just need water in general. So let's just make some water. That should do the thing. Okay. 10 out of 10. Just kick these batteries out of the way. I'd like to get up here to this storage, but that's not gonna happen anytime soon. What do we need? Steel plates? I just happen to have 5 already. And I don't know how to make steel. What's this? Find seed. Wood plus water. Wood. Where in the heck? There's a seed over there. Is that just what we have to get? Oh, there's a seed right there too. Maybe we just have to find one seed, because that'll probably get us trees, I imagine. All right, let's see if we can get over to one of those seeds here. Make a brick. Make a fire. It's not gonna quite be far enough. Even after the next one, it's not gonna be far enough. I wonder if I could just get the fireplace going. I kind of want to get this little guy here, though. Can I move these around? Okay, I guess once they're empty, you can move them. So I could probably move this over here just to grab that. Yeah, maybe that's what I'll do. But we can do this to heat up this area and get this guy out of here. What's going on there? Why is this area all froze up? Okay, now this thing. Perfect. Let's get a battery. Shove it in there. It's gonna get us more storages. And a seed. Alright. And what do we need the seed for? Starving for water. Okay. Well, I know how to fix that. I probably shouldn't have put this here. Although maybe that's fine. This fire here should always be running now. So that's gonna be okay. Cold. Why is it cold? It's right beside a fire. Do I need a fire, like, right beside it? There we go. Starving for water. What the heck? How much water do you need, tree? Oh, we did it. Ripe tree. 4 wood out of 4 wood. Does it drop us a seed? Oh! Okay, we can move it. That's good. That's actually really good. So we can re-water it. Alright, we got some wood now. Build a furnace? What is that thing? A rotor. Wire? How do I make this? Okay, here we go. We got some instructions. We need a magnet. We need unknown object. Do we need to build that, or do we have to find the first one? I'm not seeing that. How do we make these steel plates? Actually, can I make these? Oh, charged steel plates. It just takes a magnet and a regular plate. Okay, so we put these together. What's a magnet? This? Perfect. Okay, so really quick, let's just make these. And put them in there. Maybe we'll unlock something. Put that in there, put that in there. Put that in there. And charge that up. Okay. What did we get? Oh, we just made a furnace. Or we just got one for free. So now this thing is massive. But takes... Wait, why is there like dark red right beside it? This is gonna take wood though, right? So that's gonna be a bit of a problem for us. This thing's huge. Clear some space for the furnace? Extremely cold. Does it... It wants me to go over there, I guess. Okay, hang on. Let's get this in there. I might need another furnace or another fire pit. Really quick. Put that up there. How do I get in here? We have to break these stones out of the way? Ah, dang it. Okay, so what we have to do is make some room. It sounds like place the furnace to melt down the ancient ice. So what it sounds like is going to happen is this stuff up here we can't actually get through unless we have the super awesome furnace. So I just got to get these rocks out of the way. I'm just turning them into fire for now. There we go. So now I should be able to stick down this furnace right in somewhere. Make a pass through the ice. And this is going to take wood. There we go. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Wait, it's not working. Looks like a sulfur spring. Let's unfreeze it. It's not thawing this ice. I mean, it looks like it tried to thaw it, but then now it's just not letting me get through it. Oh, there we go. It finally melted. Okay, I guess it just takes a little bit of time. I don't know why it took forever, but whatever, it's working now. So let's get some coal up here. And just add that in there. This rock, I mean, whatever. I can just put this rock down here. So I think what I want to do is, well, we're going to want to start automating wood collection, I think. I think we're going to want to do that. So we're probably going to want water being crafted. So let's get a guy here and we'll set this to be check energy, refuel. Okay, and then if it's not, we want to find and pick up. No, 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 no. Find and pick up. Fire. Find and pick up. No, 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 no. We want to go pick from. We want to pick from. Come on, pick from. And we're going to take out of... Why can't I scroll down? We're going to take out of here. It's going to give us a fire. Then we're going to find and pick an ice. Then we are going to combine to make a water. And then we can drop to here. Is that good? Drop to, why did that not work? Drop to here. Okay, and then idle. So this guy's only job is going to be to make water, I think. He should do his thing. Although, maybe what we want to do is get him to check first. Compare count. Compare count in here. Yep, because then we're not going to just make infinite water. Let's get all of this out of the way. If it's less than 9, sure. Less than 9, do that. If it's more than 9, just do nothing for now. Okay, and maybe what we want to do if it's more than 9... No, we'll just get him to do nothing for now. I think that's fine. Let's do it. Let's play. I'm gonna need someone to water this. And maybe I'll put it closer to the fire so that it grows faster. So we can get someone to water. I've only got one guy left. This slow. Why is this guy not... Why is he broken? There we go. I think he was just plugged. Alright, the next thing I think we want to do is start storing up some of these iron products. Just because we can. So this guy, I've got him checking if they're... Oh, he's not actually doing anything. He's supposed to be checking in here. So if there's more than 9, then he's doing nothing. But right now... What I actually want him to do is if there's more than 9, we're gonna start making... Yeah. If there's more than 9, we're gonna start making some other resources. So we're going to... What do we want to do? Make magnets? Yeah, we'll make magnets first. So we'll pick up from... Let's get rid of that. If there's more, let's pause this guy so he doesn't start making a mess. Pick from here and find and pick up a ore, combine, and then drop to right in here, please. So if we got more than 9 magnets, he's going to do this. Although what I need him to do is actually check first. Okay, we'll do this. And this is actually going to go to idle as well. And if there is less than 9 magnets, he's going to do that, or equal. And then if there's more, what we're gonna do, compare count in here. Then we're gonna compare count in here again. We're going to make plates. So that is going to be the same thing. So pick up from there. I think there's just a repeat button. Repeat previous. I don't know how this one works. It tells entering through starts the cycle, total count of cycles. The program proceeds through the next and adds 1. I think what I need to do is put this in here. And then put that in there. And then put this in here. So we're going to start. We're going to repeat it once. Repeat it once? What's the number? 1 time or 2 times? Total count of cycles drops to 0. Okay, well, we'll try it with repeat 1. The program proceeds through the next and adds +1 to the total count. I don't know if I want this to be like this or not. Maybe just 2. I don't know. Then on end, we will combine. I think that's gonna work out okay. On end, we will combine and drop into here. And then idle. I think that's gonna work. Let's see. He's gonna go check for iron. It should be fine. He's gonna go and start making a magnet. Bingo. Put it away. Alright. So we've got all of these guys being made. I could also get the same guy to start making us charged plates. I just want to see what's going to happen when he gets up into this next area here. We just got to wait till we have 10 magnets and then we'll see what he does. I'm hoping this works, but I might have to decrease it to 1. So we just got number 9. This is going to be number 10. Okay, now we'll see what he does. He should. Why did he not? Oh. Oh, if it's more, we want you to idle. And if it's less, we want you to start. Oopsies. Okay, we'll try that again. Pick from, combine, bingo. Okay. So it is 2, I think. Repeat 2, 1, 0. Okay. So I think you want this number. Sometimes programming is weird and it's like the number -1. But I think in this case, you actually just want it to be the number of times you want it to repeat. So if you want it to do 2 times, then you just put it 2 times. At least it appears to be working for me. So anyway, now we are going to have some automatic plates. We've already got automatic magnets, and we've already got automatic iron. Now, I don't have a storage. How do I make another storage? Can we make another storage? A plate and a glass? Okay, I think we're going to want to do this. So we'll do that really quick. And then this can be our spot to... Can the guys walk over top of these? No, they get stuck. Okay, that is good to know. That is definitely good to know. So what we'll do really quickly is I'm going to add one more in here. Pause this guy. Compare count. And we will go, if it is more, we'll go to here. Then we'll go to idle after all of that. And what we want to do here is check this container for 9. And then we're going to pick from... Why does it always connect into there? we're going to pick from here, and then we're going to pick from here, pick from here, combine those together, and drop into here. Go to idle. Okay, so now that is going to make us the charged plates. I don't know how many of those we're going to need right now. I guess we don't really need any, but at least we are going to have some. Hopefully. Let's see. He should start making us charged plates. Bingo. Perfect. Now he should make us another magnet. Perfect. Now he should make us another plate. Perfect. And now he should make us a charged plate after he fuels himself up. Like a little good robot. Okay. That is looking absolutely wonderful. Bingo. Okay. So, all that's working. I guess in the next one, we're gonna have to add some more to this guy. We're gonna maybe make him our tree farmer. Why is it saying 20? Oh, every time he does this, he's using power. Oh my god, he's just chugging down the power there, staring at that crate. Okay. Well, that's good. It's fine. We can work with that. So the next episode, I think what we're going to do is start growing some trees. We need a pile of wood here. And I also have to get back over here to get our furnace out of there. I might be able to sneak up in here to get this seed as well, which is going to help us. There's also a seed over here we could sneak over and grab. And there's this seed over here. So we could get a pile of seeds. Looks good. Looks good. Yeah. Oh, there's also a bunch of seeds up here too. Okay. Well, we've got our work cut out for us here. But guys, I hope you are liking this episode or this series so far. If you are, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up on this video. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And I will see you next time.